The Vareo Perfect Binder is ideally suited to digital book production in combination with the InfiniTrim 3-knife trimmer. Thanks to highly automated connected technology, it meets all the requirements of Finishing 4.0. The high degree of automation forms the basis for customization, variability, and smart functions. Ultra-short runs, right down to runs of one copy, are produced touchlessly, in other words without intervention by the operator, to the very highest quality standards. Changes to size and product thicknesses can be made from product to product, and content can be customized. The line processes both offset and digitally printed products, whether as single sheets or signatures, and ensures top quality. The whole production line is managed by the Connex Data and Process Management System, from pre-press through to print finishing. With PDF in-book out production, everything is integrated, from digital page assembly and job management through to job tracking, irrespective of whether the configuration is roll-roll or in-line. The Vareo line is a seamless, highly efficient inline system for variable size book production, from the roll to the finished book. It is manufactured using the best-in-class technology of Müller Martini and Hunkler. The digitally printed paper web is fed via the UW6 unwinding module. In the WM6 web merger of the Hunkler line, the paper web is cut lengthwise, and the two web halves are placed on top of each other with register accuracy. The paper web is then cut across the grain in the CS6HS high-performance cutter. Thanks to the Dynacut function, the book spine length can be changed on the fly. In the SE6 separating module, the book blocks are laterally offset and accurately stacked and delivered in the LS6 stacker. An industrial robot with a special gripper arm separates the loose sheet book blocks and transfers them to the automatic book block feeding device of the Vareo Perfect Binder. The loose sheet piles are synchronized by the automatic book block feeding station and fed securely to the clamp in the Vareo using a gripper system. Before the synchronization gate, the block thickness is measured and the barcode on the book block is registered. The barcode contains information for comparison of the content and the cover, and information about the spine length. The special feature here is that in-feed and delivery are combined in one station. The book block with a cover is gently lowered using a lift, and a new loose sheet pile is fed into the same clamp. In the manual feed station, which remains freely accessible, the sheets of the book blocks are aligned via a jogger before the clamp closes, and the book block enters the binding process. In the spine preparation station, the book block is optimally prepared for glue application. Every change to the block thickness and spine length is automatically implemented immediately by all relevant stations in the machine. The spine preparation station is equipped with a dust milling head, height-adjustable roughening and notching tools, and a ring brush. Hot melt or PUR adhesives can be applied as spine adhesives. The adhesive systems can be quickly exchanged by means of a trolley if required. The hot melt side adhesive is applied using slanted discs. The start-stop of all adhesives can be conveniently managed via the display. The vertical cover feeder can be continuously fed from above on the fly. Before the cover is processed in the scoring station, the barcode is compared with the content. If they match, the binding process is automatically started. In the case of a mismatch, both the book block and the cover can be conveniently reused. All changes to the block thickness and cover alignment are implemented entirely automatically and immediately here too. In the lift delivery, the bound book blocks are picked up using a gripper system. The clamp opens and the book blocks are gently transported downwards to ensure perfect binding quality. The space-saving design of the cooling tower enables the highly compact layout of the whole line. The products are stored here temporarily and suitably cooled for 3-side trimming. In the fully variable size InfiniTrim 3-knife trimmer, the soft cover brochures get their customized final trim. In the case of size changes, there is no need to make adjustments to the cutting table or pressing pad. A pressing pad and trimming cassette do not need to be produced. The spine length and block width are automatically set to the InfiniTrim, which saves a huge amount of time. In the in-feed section, the books are automatically precisely aligned using a cross-carrier table and in-feed wheel without the need for manual adjustments. Size data do not need to be entered either, if the data such as the trim size are imported by means of the barcode. The book block is positioned vertically in the in-feed wheel and transported from there to the head trim unit by means of a servo-driven in-feed pusher. Very large trim widths are possible thanks to the vertical position. All trim steps are performed in the stable trimming cell. Servo-driven transport units guide the products to the given knives. The head trim is performed first and is followed by the front trim. Using the second transfer unit, the book is then transported from the front trim unit to the delivery wheel, which simultaneously performs block pressing for the foot trim. All trim steps are performed perfectly thanks to patented Smart Press technology, since the optimal pressure is set fully automatically for every size. Finally, the delivery wheel turns to transfer the finished book to the delivery belt. Perfect binding quality meets full-size variability. Finishing 4.0 par excellence.